Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable automatic system software update in PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Go to system software. Under system software, select system software update and settings. So here we can see two options. The first one is download update files automatically. Enable it. Then enable this install update files automatically. Enable this option. Done. So now I have enabled both download and install update files. So this way we can enable automatic update of system software. If you want to disable, just disable these two options like this. So this way we can enable or disable automatic update of system software. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.